Good morning, students. All are fine. Now no exam. Okay, exam cancel. No. Yes. Now start. Full speed is start. Class 11. Okay. Full speed. Now already I am previous class discussed coordinate geometry and area of the triangle, area of the trapezium. Okay. And suppose centroid of the triangle. Everything. I have already discussed. Okay. Now suppose one point is given. A point is moving. Few some conditions are there. Okay. With the help of some condition, a point is moving. Then what is the locus of the point? Then what is the locus of the point? Locus means with the help of few condition, a point moves. The path covered by the point is called its locus. Suppose, look at here, a point is given here. One point. The point is moved, suppose like that. This is this way. Okay. The point moves in straight line. The locus is straight line. All of you know the equation of straight line. Y equal to mx plus c, or ax plus by plus c equal to 0. Suppose y equal to mx plus c also, or ax plus by plus c equal to 0, or x by a plus y by b equal to 1. Okay, all of you know this equation. Okay, that is the locus means with the help of few conditions. Suppose one point is given, condition that 8t square twice 80. The coordinates of a point is given 8t square twice 80. Then what is the locus of the point? This. What is the locus of the point? Okay. Now look at here. Here we can write the point here. Suppose PB point 80 square twice 80. Okay. Now here this is x y. So this is abscissa. This is ordinate. Okay. This is abscissa and this is ordinate. We know PB any point. Suppose P of x y. So we can write x equal to 8t square and y equal to twice 80. Okay, right? Now from here t equal to y by 2a. Now you put here. So x equal to 8t square. T square is y square by 4a square. See 1a. This is cancelled. So x equal to y square by 4a. Then y square equal to 4ax. This is the locus of a point. This point. Okay. 80 square or 80 square twice 80 point. Its locus is here. Y square equal to 4ax. So this is the equation of a curve. What is the name of the curve? The curve is known as here parabola curve. Okay, this is parabola. The curve is parabola. Okay, now I am drawing the figure. See. Suppose one point, fixed point is given. This is fixed point, no change. Suppose S, give point. Here one straight line is there. Okay, this is a straight line. This is a fixed point. Suppose a point P is here. The coordinate is suppose P x y. Okay, this is a fixed point. This is a fixed straight line. A point moves in such a way that the distance from S and the distance from the fixed straight line is always same. Then the locus of the point, the path covered by the point, is called its locus, and its locus is parabola. The name of the locus is parabola. See, suppose the point here, you join suppose this distance and this distance is same. Again, the point is here, suppose here. Now we join here. Again, suppose the point is here. Okay. Now, if you join, look at here. One curve is there. So this curve is known as parabola. Okay. The locus of a point P, the path covered by the point. Suppose this is the initial point here. Suppose the point moves here. Again, the point is here. The point is here. Again, the point. Okay. Now, the locus of the point is parabola. Okay. The path covered by the point. So, this is the locus of a point. Again, suppose see, this is a fixed point. This is a fixed point. Okay. Now, in this plane, a point moves in such a way that the distance from this point to moving point is always same. This is a fixed point. Okay. Now, one point is here. Suppose P, this distance, again the point is here, suppose this distance, again suppose the point is here, this distance, again the point suppose here, again the point here, suppose here, these all distance are same. Okay. The locus of the point, look at here. Suppose here, like, see, this is a circle. Okay. The locus of a point is circle. Okay. So this is a fixed point. A point moves in such a way that the distance from fixed point to the moving point is always same. Then the path covered by the point is called its locus, and the name of the locus is, this is circle. The equation of circle. Okay. Now, find the equation of the circle. See, all of you know two perpendicular axes here. This is x-axis, this is y-axis. Okay. Now, P be any point. Suppose P, x, y be any point. Okay. Now, you draw perpendicular here. Suppose PM. You join. This is our origin O. This is x. This is y. Okay. Now, suppose this, you see, this is R, radius. So, this is perpendicular. So, you can write x square plus y square equal to r square. Okay. Now, again look at here. Suppose the point is here. Okay, draw perpendicular here. So this is minus x, this is y. The coordinate is minus x comma y. So this distance find out. Suppose this is p dash. Okay. Now, so this is r. You take this is r. Then r square equal to x square plus y square. Okay. So here OP square, r square means here OP square. Here also p dash square. Okay. So this is x square plus y square. You put in the point, suppose here, same result will come. Okay. Or here, see, same result will come. Then locus of the point here, see, this also equation of circle. A point moves in such a way that the distance from the fixed point to the moving point, from the fixed point to the moving point is always same. Then the locus of a point is circle. And the equation of circle is x square plus y square equal to r square. You are taking center as origin and radius is r. Okay, radius is r. Now suppose a coordinate of P is given, suppose A cos theta, B sin theta. Coordinates of a point P is given, x equal to A cos theta and y equal to B sin theta. The coordinates will be P, A cos theta, B sin theta. So we can write, suppose here x equal to A cos theta, y equal to B sin theta. Okay, x equal to A cos theta, y equal to B sin theta. Okay, now you can write x by A equal to cos theta, y by B equal to sin theta. Okay, now we know sin square theta plus cos square theta equal to 1. So we write x square plus, sorry, by A square, y square by B square equal to cos square theta plus sin square theta. So x square by A square plus y square of B square equal to 1. This is the locus of a point. This locus of the point equal to this. This is the equation of an ellipse. Okay, keep in mind, it is syllabus. Now you remember this is ellipse, equation of an ellipse. Okay, suppose an coordinate of a point is given, P be any point given A sec theta, B tan theta. This is given. P, the coordinate of PB, A sec theta, B tan theta. This is given. Then, what is the locus of the point P? Similar way, write let x equal to A sec theta, y equal to B tan theta. Now, x by A equal to sec theta, y by B equal to tan theta. Okay, so x square by A square minus, you write y square by B square equal to sec square theta minus tan square theta. All of you know sec square theta minus tan square theta 1. Okay, so write x square by A square minus y square B square equal to 1. Okay, now this point locus is this. So this is an equation of a hyperbola. Okay, keep in mind the equation, this equation x square by a square minus y square by b square equal to 1. This is an equation of hyperbola, and x square by a square plus y square by b square equal to 1. This is the equation of an ellipse, and x square plus y square equal to r square. This is an equation of a circle, and y square equal to 4ax. This is the equation of a parabola. Keep in mind, okay? And whatever the point I am writing here, wait, you keep in mind, okay? All of you remember this point. First I'm writing 8t square twice 80. Suppose P point 8t square twice 80. This is the parametric form of parabola. Keep in mind, parabola. And P A cos theta B sin theta, it will be ellipse. P of, suppose A cos theta, A sec theta B tan theta will be hyperbola. P of A cos theta, or write R cos theta, or you can write R or A, anyone. A cos theta, R cos theta, R sin theta. This is equation of circle. All of you remember, okay? This point locus parabola, this point locus ellipse, this point is a hyperbola, this is a circle. Very helpful formula, okay? All of you remember. This equation here, the point, this point is this is parametric form of the curve. Okay, conic section, this is a conic section. So here, all of you remember, this is the parametric form. Keep in mind, remember, parametric form. Okay? Note it down. Suppose a point moving in such a way that the distance from any point, suppose 1, 2 and 3, 4, the point P is given x, y. This distance and this distance is equidistance. Then find the locus of the point P. Okay? A point P of xy moves in such a way that the distance from the point A and the distance from the point P is same. Then what is the locus of the point P? Okay, find the equation of the locus. So Pxy be given. She will first find AP, find out, that is x minus 1 whole square plus y minus 2 whole square. The root. Okay. Now BP find out. So root under x minus 3 whole square plus y minus 4 whole square. Okay. Both are equal. So you can write here x minus 1 whole square plus y minus 2 whole square equal to x minus 3 whole square y minus 4 whole square. So here x square minus twice x plus 1 y square minus 4y plus 4 equal to x square minus 6x plus 9 plus y square minus 8y plus 4. So here x square cancel, y square cancel. So right here minus twice x plus 6x here. So will be 4x minus 4y plus 8y equal to plus 4y. Okay. 9 plus 4, 13. Minus here 4, 1, 5. Right. 4x plus 4y equal to 8. That is x plus y equal to 2. So this is the equation of straight line. The locus is straight line. Okay. In that way you have to solve. So very easy sum is there. I'll give you study material, okay, and also worksheet. Now you have to start high speed. Okay. Very fast syllabus is there. All of you start. Okay, at home. And if you are facing any doubt, okay, you will inform. I will solve. Okay, no problem is there. Okay, email is there, and here in school website inquiry is there. Okay, school you have to inform us. Okay, and I will solve you. No problem is there. Okay, if you are facing any doubt. Okay, bye. No more to do.